Hey everybody, it's another Milsurp, and today what I have that I'm going to unbox, I've actually had the box for a few weeks now, is a Type 14 Nambu, which I purchased through Nickerson's Military and Sports Memorabilia out of Warren, Pennsylvania. This is my first Nambu. Been wanting to get one for a long time and came across a really good deal. So I jumped on it, and it's been a while since I received it. Just finding the time to do an unboxing. So here we are. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. The Nickerson Military and Sports Memorabilia, he has a shop in Warren, Pennsylvania, and he has a website, and the website posts a list of items he has for sale, different types of military surplus firearms, World War I, II, and post-World War, Cold War era. So there's no pictures, so I was thinking, I'd probably have to be walk into the store to buy this gun, but I sent him a message and an email, and he said, well, give me a call. And he accepted my CNR, and I mailed him a check, and here it is. So it looks like it's in a case. Wow, that's nice. Oh, very nice. Look at that. And here we go. So let's go ahead and clear it. It's clear. Very nice. Don't know too much about these. I read up on them. The Type 14, the name Nambu, is the last name of the designer, Kajiro Nambu. 14 is the 14th year of the Taisho era. So the way these are dated is, you can see right here, you have 17 and then a dot and 11. Well, that's the 17th year from the time this was first manufactured, which was 1926. And this is the month, the 11th month. So that would give us 1943 is the year of manufacture, November. I think I got that right. This, I believe, is just a serial number. There are about 400,000 of these manufactured. I believe this has to do with the arsenal. I'm not sure. This is your safety. Forward is on, and then back is off. I'm pretty sure. The trigger guard is enlarged. Originally, these had a small trigger guard, but there were some complaints. There were some forces in colder climates, they had to wear gloves, and it was really hard to shoot these with a heavy glove on, so they enlarged the trigger guard. Supposedly this was modeled after the Mauser C96, I believe. Yeah, the Mauser C96, or it was inspired by that. They got some ideas from seeing that. It's really nice. I've always wanted one of these. I was just waiting for the right deal. So $650, I think I did pretty well. Let's go ahead and there's a little spring here that you press, I believe, to, yeah, there we go. This originally wasn't there, and the, I believe there was a problem with the magazine coming out, inadvertently. The bullets that are used for this, what is the caliber? It's an 8x22 Nambu. They're actually when you put them in here, they're pointing upward. They can't be, which is a flaw in this design because it causes jamming. Actually, I watched some videos, and these are known to jam up occasionally. But you know, it's really didn't matter because, from what I understand, they were used more for ornamental purposes. Officers, they were issued to officers. They would have to pay though for their sidearm, and they didn't really use them that much, supposedly. I don't know, I'm sure they did, but it was a status symbol to carry this. The holsters, I don't have a holster, but the holsters are pretty nice looking. They're pretty expensive. You get an original one, like $250, $350. So that's something that would be nice to have. There were 3 types of Nambos, the Type A, the B, and then the 14th. And the Nambu replaced the Type 26 revolver. The service history of the Nambu line is 1904 to 1945. The most common being the Type 14, where there are about 400,000 manufactured. It's an 8-round magazine. And little interesting trivia, one of these was brought back from a soldier after World War II, and William Ruger got a hold of it, and it inspired him to design the standard pistol, the Mark 1, 2, 3, I believe there's a Mark 4 now too, target pistol, 22 caliber. It looks very similar. Actually, I'd like to have one of those for target shooting, plinking around one of these days. But this is really nice. Very pleased with the condition of this. I've seen some that go for far more, and they weren't in as nice a condition as this. More towards the end of the war, just like the rifles that the Japanese last ditch 99s supposedly, they had the same rough, what's the word I'm looking for? The manufacturing, they took a lot of shortcuts. Like I saw one that actually didn't have any, the pistol grip was this smooth. It didn't have these lines, for example, and it wasn't as smooth, the finish on the pistol. Of course, you know, end of the war, towards the end, they're cutting corners, they're low on supplies, resources, and you know, it's understandable. So anyway, there you have it. My Type 14 Nambu. Finally, at last, add to the collection. I have an Arasaka 38 and an Arasaka 99. So I've been pretty pleased with the purchase, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for your time.